Welcome students. Today we are going to start with practice set 27 of chapter number 6 indices. Let's see practice set 26. In the last part we have seen with practice set 26. Now this practice set 27 is based on laws of indices. Now I am going to show the law of indices which we are going to use for practice set 27. So the very first law which we are going to use is a raised to m into a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n. See, this is a raised to m multiply a raised to n. Then, if the base is same, you write the base one time only, a, and if multiplication is there, you add the above powers, that is m plus n. If multiplication is there, base you write it one time and you add the above powers. For example, 3 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 4 is equals to, see, compare this. Instead of a, it is here 3. So base is same and above powers, the first power is 7, the second power is 4. So base you have to write one time 3, and if multiplication is there, you are adding the powers. So 7 plus 4. So 3 raised to 7 plus 4 is 11. So what is our answer? 3 raised to 11. So this is our first law of indices. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. This law we are going to use for practice set 27. So let's start practice set 27. It is based on this law. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Remember this law. Learn this laws of indices. Very important. The first question, simplify. 7 raised to 4 into 7 raised to 2. See, this part, we want this part now. So base is what? 7. 7 we write it only one time. Now you have to, multiplication is there, you will add above powers. 4 plus 2. So 7 raised to 4 plus 2 is what? 6. So the answer is 7 raised to 6. Now see the second one, minus 11 raised to 5 into minus 11 raised to 2. See, the base is same, minus 11. So we have to write the base only one time. Above powers we have to add. So 5 plus 2. So minus 11 raised to 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. So answer is minus 11 raised to 7. Third sum, 6 upon 7 raised to 3 into 6 upon 7 raised to 5. So base is same. Write it one time, 6 upon 7. Add the above powers. 3 plus 5. So 6 upon 7 raised to 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. So our answer is 6 upon 7 raised to 8. See the fourth sum, minus 3 upon 2 raised to 5 into minus 3 upon 2 raised to 3. So write this base one time, minus 3 upon 2. Add the above powers, 5 plus 3. So minus 3 upon 2 raised to 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. So our answer is minus 3 upon 2 raised to 8. See the fifth one, a raised to 16 into a raised to 7. Write the base. Base is same, write it one time. If multiplication is there, we add the power, 16 plus 7. So a raised to 16 plus 7 is 23. P upon 5 raised to 3 into P upon 5 raised to 7. Write the base is same, P upon 5, P upon 5. Write it one time. If multiplication is there, we are adding the powers. So 3 plus 7. So P upon 5 raised to 3 plus 7 is how much? 10. Our answer is P upon 5 raised to 10. So practice set 7 we have completed based on the first law of indices. Remember these laws of indices. Maybe it may be asked for filling the blanks. So first practice set 27 is done. In the next part we will see practice set 28.